Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 29th October 2025, Nifty index opened flattish but soared higher above 26,000 marks in the first tick. It failed to hold 26,050 zones and slipped lower to 25,800. It showcased classical expiry day volatility as resistance stacked near 26,000 marks, but support has been intact at the lower levels. It formed a small-bodied candle on the daily frame and has been forming higher highs from the last two trading sessions. India VIX was up by 0.8% to 12 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.98. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,500 to 26,400 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,700 to 26,200 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 10,060 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 636 crores. FIIs indexed long-short ratio decreased to 19.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,900 for the next up move towards 26,100, then the lifetime high of 26,277 marks, while support can be seen at 25,700 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 58,000 for the next up move towards 58,577, then a new lifetime high territory, while support can be seen at 57,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Jindal Steel, Indus Tower, UPL, Indian Bank, SBI Life, Laurus Lab, Tata Steel and AU Bank. While some weakness could be seen in Torrent Power, Hindustan Zinc, Trend and Power Grid. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.